Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if it is your first time tuning in, I'm Kanitha. This channel is about how to take care of your natural hair DIYs, especially for your hair. Occasionally you will get travel vlogs, try on hauls, and so on. If that sounds good to you, make sure that you subscribe for more videos. I would really appreciate you subscribe to help me reach 1K. Thank you in advance, and let's get back to this video. You want to know how to make this amazing DIY hair mask? I will tell you exact measurement used in this video for each ingredient and what are some of the benefits and the ingredients you may be able to substitute if you don't have any of the ingredients in this video. Okay, so let's get to it. So first one is the Irish sea moss. Okay, so there's a difference between real sea moss and fake sea moss, and this is the real sea moss. All right, so I use about 1 ounce of sea moss and 1.6 ounce of aloe vera, 1 avocado as you can see, and a few branches of parsley, also 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and you will see the exact measurement for glycerin. You don't have to add glycerin, but I add glycerin if you like. And then if you don't have castor oil, you can use avocado oil. You can use olive oil. I would suggest olive oil because you're already using avocado oil. You can use coconut oil if your hair likes coconut oil. So the oil will help the mask to make your hair, you know, more manageable, soft, very sleep. Okay, so that's that. And if you want to add some kind of essential oil, you can, because I did add tea tree for me and a peppermint. And if your hair, you want your hair to really be cleansed, your scalp, you can actually add half like a tablespoon or teaspoon of vinegar, apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar is optional. You do not have to add it, especially if your hair is not extremely dirty. I recently showed you guys how to cleanse your hair with apple cider vinegar, especially if you don't have a clarifying shampoo. If you haven't seen that video, so go see it. But if your hair is not that dirty, and because the mask already going to cleanse your scalp, so it's optional, it's up to you. So let's get back to how I made this mask. As you saw, I got all my things prepared. I washed my sea moss, removed the salt in it, and then boil some filtered water, pour it, let it along with the parsley, and then let it cool off. Not really all the way cold, like cold, because I still wanted to mix with the aloe vera and the avocado, so it will turn into like a gel like texture. So this is the exact measurement for the glycerin if you decide to add the glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, you can add vegetable oil. So I stick blend everything together to a creamy paste like texture. Even after that, I did not want any kind of residue, any kind of debris on my hair, so I ended up using a paint filtered bag. In addition to that, some cheesecloth to remove every little piece of residue, so I don't end up with all these white things in my hair. And as you will see, there was some little piece of debris in that. Yeah, that part. So let's get to some of the benefits for each of the ingredients real quick. All right, so let's start with avocado while I apply this on my hair. So avocados are rich in biotin, which can help nourish the scalp, moisturize the hair, and make it a great choice for a great easy hair treatment. And it made my hair feel smooth and silky to come through. I guess this is a series about scalp health, because the last 2 videos focus on that. Anyway, back to avocado. The oil itself will hydrate it on scalp and the skin, especially dealing with flakes. As for parsley, parsley is packed and high in nutrients. Okay, it helps with hair loss and encourage hair growth. So just a little bit about that, about parsley. And aloe vera. Aloe vera is, as you all know, it's a very powerful plant, and it's considered as a healing plant as well. It helps seals in the moisture, fights danger, strengthen hair, and more. Let me tell you, my hair feels so strong after I washed my hair. Apart from all the benefits for hair, it's really great to consume as well for many health benefits. Let's just state what I am seeing on Google right now. So, aloe vera contain vitamin A, C, and E. All three of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and follicle acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. Okay? Sea moss, right? So I'm using Irish moss in the video. It contains fatty acids, it contains follicle acid, promotes hair and scalp health, elasticity. Sea moss contains a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that have been shown to support a healthier hair, skin, and general wellness. Just a few of nutrients contained in sea moss: vitamin B, including B2, B12, and vitamin A. And know that there's a difference between the real sea moss and fake sea moss, because there's a difference. All sea moss are not equal. Then I'm gonna leave it for, I'm about to wash my son's hair, so I'm gonna leave it until I'm done. Probably like 40 minutes I'll leave it. I'm not sure if you guys would like to see after I wash it. Would you guys like to see after I wash my hair? Because I just want to wash it and just twist it, that's it. But I think I'll show you guys. Yes? No? Let me know. Just so you guys could engage down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash my hair. I'm gonna put a shower cap on and then leave it. That thing really penetrates through the hair really fast. The hair absorb it, so I like that. Okay guys, later. Oh, and as for castor oil is, my hair loves that oil. Okay, for my hair, it moisturizes my hair. It helps me with dandruff. It helps me grow my hair. It is an antibacterial oil. It's an amazing oil, especially in the Haitian community. That oil is a healing oil. All right, but look at my hair, guys. Look at my hair. This hair mask was so amazing. My hair feels so strong and so healthy. So I listen. I didn't even add like other like bananas and all these things. This was an amazing hair mask, and I'm about to twist my hair without even without product, and you will see how luscious my hair looked, and how, yes, that was an amazing. My hair was defined, my scalp was clean, my hair felt soft. But I would say that make sure that you if your hair is not well adapted to none of the, especially for aloe vera, because aloe vera, certain people can't tolerate aloe vera. So that's that. And I'm not sure if you guys seen the DIY gel I made with sea moss and flat seeds and chia seeds. So if you haven't seen that video, take a look at that video as well. And can I tell you guys a secret? I did not even use a waist conditioner in my hair to detangle my hair. My hair was so smooth to detangle. And let me tell you, if you're a person who don't mind, you don't want to go vegan, you can add honey. That would actually do amazing. You can add honey. You can add some bananas. You can even add eggs in that hair mask if you want it to be like a protein hair mask as well. I'm about to get back to my deep conditioning and protein hair routine because I haven't been spending time in doing that lately. My hair's about to make a complete 360. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.